Yo, first order of the day. We've got a 7-Eleven. This one is $9 going 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, next order. We are also doing earn by time. Current rate, $17 an hour, and it's a Starbucks going less than a mile. This is gonna be like charity work. I can almost guarantee it. Thank you. Did I call it or did I call it? Total for that ended up being $2. No tip. Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $8 going about 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Got this order as I was dropping off. It is a Black Rock coffee, $8 going 4 miles.
Okay, 3 bags for you.
Thank you. You too. Not sure why she gave me a bag and a drink carrier for one single drink. Like, I could have held that one. Oh no, that's funny. That is really funny. Check that out. It's the first order we did. 10 cents, huh? Okay, we finally got something. This is a 7-Eleven, $6 going about a mile.
Good morning.
Morning. I had an order pickup over there. Finally got the next order after waiting for like 15 minutes. This one is taking me across the river and back. It's for a place called The Meltdown. Never heard of it, never been there, so we'll see how this goes. This one is $9 going like 6.5 miles. Okay, maybe I lied about never have been here before because it's a ghost kitchen for Denny's.
Got an ankle at 1. Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next order up, we've got a Voodoo Donut. This one is $11 going about 7 miles.
Have a great rest of the day.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7 going just under 5 miles.
Oh, hello, my friend.
Hello.
I just need to see the code real quick for confirmation. You are a peach. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Finally got another order with DoorDash. This is a Burger King going 2 miles. Thank you. Top customer, deliver with care. Top customer for who? No tip, $4 and change. Very good, very good. Got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 3 miles, 4 items.
He's not mean. He's gonna. Hi.
It's a giant dog. Take the bag down. A weird glare on it. Okay, this is gonna be the last order of the day because it's gonna take me like an hour. Okay, probably not that long, but it's gonna be a long one. This is a DoorDash order for Muchas Gracias going 9.5 miles. Yeah. Austin? Thank you. Ooh, and that is 2 paragraphs of instructions. This is not gonna be worth it at all. Total for that was $11. Definitely not worth the hassle. Let's just go home. Current time is 9:50. Current total, we are at 74, and I think I'm waiting on 1, maybe 2 Uber tips. So I'll throw up the total whenever it arrives. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.